Hello lovelies, today we're diving into one of the most requested topics, which is how to perfect your winged eyeliner. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So step number one that's really important is to pick the right eyeliner. You want to pick something that's good quality, whether it's a gel eyeliner or a liquid one, whichever one you prefer. Just remember, this is so important because you want to actually try it out. Maybe if it's a felt tip, if you're comfortable with drawing with it, because this is so important to how your eyeliner performs. Remember to choose the right eyeliner, and the one I'm choosing for today is the Kiko Milano Create Your Balance Waterproof Eyeliner Duo. There's actually two sides to it. One of them almost looks like a marker, which is this tip. And then I have another side, which is like a felt slanted tip. This is a quick way to do a wing, but honestly, I prefer the marker because it gives me more flexibility with how long I want my wing to be. So pick your eyeliner right. So tip number two is to start with a clean canvas. You want to make sure you don't have any excess oil or product on your eyelids before you start, because that will ensure that you have a smooth application and it will make your makeup last longer. So step number three is to make sure that you map out your wing if you're new to this eyeliner technique or you're a beginner. So what you want to do is either use dots or dashes before you join the lines, and this totally helps to make the control easier and achieve symmetry. Your winged eyeliner should complement your eye look. So use your lower lash line, the curve of it, as a guide to create the perfect angle, just like that. This will create a look that enhances your eyes. So now what you want to do is draw a line from the outer corner of your eyebrow towards the center of your eyelid, and this creates a triangle. And post this, you want to fill it in. So now, don't fret if you've made some mistakes. You can use a concealer to fix them or even just sharpen your edges. I like using a small beauty blender like this one because it's got that precision tip. But you could also use a brush dipped in your concealer and go ahead and fix all of it like nothing happened. So remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing. Don't be worried if you don't get it on your first try. Keep trying it out and it will make you feel more confident when you do it maybe the 5th or 10th time. Don't worry about it. Hopefully these tips help you do your eyeliner better, and I will see you in my next video.